Hi, my name is Melora Roach, and I'm going to be your child's 6th grade reading teacher this year. Sorry about how empty the room is, but we're getting ready for a huge move, and I'm super excited about moving into the other side of the building. We'll be doing that in just a couple of days. I wanted to let you know a little bit about myself and some of the things that are going to be going on in your child's reading class. First off, this is my 27th year teaching 6th grade reading. I totally enjoy teaching reading, and I wholeheartedly enjoy teaching 6th graders. I think education is so incredibly important, and I've been blessed to be able to do that for as many years as I have. A fun fact about me is I'm actually an actress. I've done many different movies and a television show, and I am currently in a melodrama at the Brazos Theater. In fact, as you're watching this video, I am probably putting on my makeup and getting my hair ready as we have a show tonight at 7:30. As far as reading goes, the curriculum this year is pretty much going to be reading and analyzing just a variety of different texts. We have several novels that we're going to be reading, magazine articles, short stories, current events, and of course multimedia, where we'll be comparing and contrasting news stories with their print versions and movies and things like that. One thing that you can encourage your child to do and to be very successful in reading class is to be familiar with Schoology. We have a lot of assignments that are in Schoology, how to put things into Notability, how to write on different stuff, how to turn things in. All of that's going to be key to your child being successful in class. Also, reading. It's reading class, and that's going to be the most important thing to make them a better reader is that they actually read. Every week they'll have an opportunity to go to the library, check out new books, and I'm going to let them read whatever they want to read. If they're into sports, they can read books about sports. If they like mysteries, they can read books about mysteries, whatever they want to read. But it's very important that they keep reading independently. It's going to help them read at a better reading level, and it's just fun. Also, for them to stay up on their assignments. If something's due, it's super important that they turn it in on that due date. Every week we will have a homework assignment. Every other week we'll have a vocabulary quiz. So they need to make sure that they are getting all of their work completed and turned in. Now, how you can help with that is to make sure that you've made a HAC account. That's Home Access Center, or HAC, H-A-C. And that is your way to see what they've made on their assignments, whether they're missing an assignment, whether they turn something in or not. And you can check that whenever you want to. Grades are usually put in the day or the day after that the assignment is due. And that way you can see what they have to do. And sometimes it'll also have things that are coming up, like tests, etc. And let your child show you what Schoology looks like. Take the time to go through there, kind of see what their assignments look like in Schoology, what it looks like to them when they have those assignments. And then read yourself. Read. Model reading, encourage reading. Have your child read to you, especially if you're making dinner or folding the laundry or doing something like that. Ask them, hey, where's your library book? And have them read a little bit out of their library book to you. If you ever need to get in contact with me, email's usually the best way to do that. And there should be a link somewhere in this video presentation that has all of our emails. And my email will be my first name, which is Melora, Melora .Roach, ROACH, at midwayisd.org. And I want to promise you that I will be promoting the love of learning with your child every single day of the school year. I think it's super important that I'm modeling reading, that I'm encouraging independent reading. It's just one of those things that they have to do in life to be successful. My conference time is 2:15 to 3:45, and you can contact me anytime you want. I am looking forward to this school year, and I can't wait to continue to teach your child. Thank you.